In a rapidly changing world, buildings must be as adaptable as the people and businesses that occupy them. This is where future-proofing comes in. Ensuring your building can handle evolving technologies, tenant needs, repurposed spaces, and unforeseen challenges requires a forward-thinking approach. Nowhere is this adaptability more critical than in mechanical, electrical, plumbing, or MEP systems, medical equipment, and other technology. Flexible hanging solutions play a pivotal role in this adaptability, enabling the installation of new systems, the relocation of existing ones, and the removal of outdated components. Flexibility in MEP systems matters for sectors that can't afford disruption. In certain building sectors, such as healthcare or data centers, there are strong incentives to always stay operational. That can be difficult long-term as technology advances or building uses change, necessitating renovation or reconfiguration of spaces to accommodate new equipment. At Nucor, Vulcraft, and Verco, we recognize these realities and have developed hanging solutions that integrate seamlessly with our metal deck systems, allowing fast installation and relocation without structural modifications. This minimizes disruption, supports phased renovations, and helps maintain constant uptime in an active facility. Updating MEP systems isn't always straightforward. Buildings, like data centers and hospitals, face constant upgrades. For example, data center hyperscalers aim for near 100% uptime, making traditional structural modification methods impractical. And that's due to the physical constraints from drilling into a concrete slab. Now you have to worry about creating silica dust, noise, vibration, and other disruptions. Traditional systems, such as wedge nuts or blue bangers, involve multi-piece assemblies that slow installation and require more labor. These methods can be inefficient and more costly, especially over the long term. Modern hanging systems are designed to simplify installation and boost flexibility. Take our new PinTail anchors, exclusively for Vulcraft Verco's next-generation dovetail deck. These single-piece solutions can support both hanging and lateral loads. Simply push the PinTail up, spin it, drop it into place, and tighten the nut. They are ideal for fast-paced projects. PinTail anchors not only simplify installation, but also allow for easy addition, relocation, or removal of hanging components. Another option is the Badger hanger, which is compatible with Verco W2 and W3 composite floor deck. Like the PinTail, Badger hangers enable straightforward addition, movement, and removal of MEP components, providing flexibility where it's needed most. Additionally, these hangers require no drilling, making installation quick and hassle-free. Innovative hanging solutions aren't just convenient, they deliver measurable advantages. 1. Ease of installation. PinTail anchors enable one-handed installs, allowing the person installing on the ladder to maintain 3 points of contact for safety. Second, safety and comfort. No drilling means no silica dust or disruptive noise, ensuring worker safety and tenant comfort. Third, adaptability. These hangers can easily be added, relocated, or, in the case of PinTails, removed, which is crucial for spaces with changing needs. And lastly, seismic standards compliance. PinTail anchors and Badger claw hangers both offer lateral capacity, making them a viable option for seismic bracing and ensuring long-term stability. Incorporating flexible hanging solutions for MEP design isn't just about staying current, it's about staying ahead. By reducing costs, improving safety, and ensuring adaptability, these innovations are the key to future-proofing your building. As an engineer, the time to act is now. Choose solutions that meet today's needs and anticipate tomorrow's demands. If you're looking at data centers, consider the wide range of Nucor's offerings. For assistance with your next project, contact your local Vulcraft or Verco expert today.